Oh, that's not a dog arm.
Tuck on. I call it.
They're taking away all that stuff. It goes.
It goes.
It was. Ooh, that one.
What kind of music are you going to have playing?
I'm not sure. Send me whatever you want. Search through and I can find it on YouTube maybe. We could have it changed. Dun, dun. That's great.
Your arms?
Nope.
Good.
Let me set the robot up first. Got my arms. Hey look, I'm getting better at skipping Green Man.
What's not? This.
Okay, this is the problem. We never practiced skipping Green Man. We never did. Because our menu system was broken at the time, and it was Green Man that was broken. And then...
This is what you do to badge. You take this, and have the little, every time you roll it,
So you should put some glue out there.
What?
Glue out. The stuff that sticks all this stuff down so it wouldn't wrinkle it.
Go. Give me 2 seconds.